Arwaki ni machiegni migago nyinga Milton Ochieng. Piny owacho ojiw mondo mi jo Kenya mani koda dwaro thuolo mar ng'iewo pok mar sirkal e kambi mar ong'we yamo mar Safaricom kanoloso e nyim komiti mar Senate komiti mochung' weche mag andika mane kumo chwalo mar tiegruok mar certificate ne jopuonjre. Atimo mos obro chako sigana no kendo. Piny owacho ojiw mondo mi jo Kenya mani kod dwaro thuolo mar ng'iewo pok mag sirkal e kambi mar tudruok mar Safaricom maloyo usogi ne kembe mamoko. Gikoni timo kamano biro miyo jo Kenya bedo kod adieri e wi omenda ma sirkal biro yudo kendo ni nyalo kelo lokruok kod dongruok e pacho ka koting'o gedo mag apaya e kind mamoko. Giwacho magi e kinde ma jopiny ne golo pachgi e wi dwaro mar sirkal mar uso pok mar kanyo mage e kambi mar Safaricom. Wawinjane kako dhi nyime.
Safeguard also the monies that is earned by the dealers and the agents. Next hapa, alafu tukuja hapa.
Thank you, Bwana Chairman. My name is Reverend Anne from Starehe. I support with amendment with a concern on the laws governing the infrastructure. Things are now that the only people that are aligned to maybe one side of the political is benefit. So what would be safeguarding all the counties such that they may be benefiting from the infrastructure fund? Thank you.
Thank you very much. You're spot on that we must guarantee that that money goes to infrastructure fund and for critical infrastructure projects. Next up.
Good afternoon, gentlemen and women. My name is Ashiza Nameza from Embakasi West, upcoming Women Rep Nairobi. My major questions are Safaricom is a major entity in our country. It has served this nation in terms of M-Pesa, in terms of government payments, and also the schools. So for me, I don't support the selling of Safaricom shares. My reasons are, we have major public transparent public participation in every sectors of this amendments. We've never been seeing public participation. And also selling of these assets, they need to be strongly presented by the people who are looking on these structural diversities. One thing I want to say is selling of shares, Safaricom shares, only provides temporary relief to government finances. It does not solve underlying issues as corruption, wasteful spending, and poor public finance management. That is my say.
Upcoming women representative Nairobi County. Then the lady next hapo, tukuje hapa katikati tukisonga hivyo.
Thank you, Chair.
Haya, she has a mic. Sasa, you know, not everyone who can talk. So when you boo at me, my friend,
Okay,
proceed.
thank you, Chair. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening. Good afternoon.
My name is Andy Rito from Embakasi East, Bakasi Ward. Yeah. My point is about the Safaricom and the shares that we are selling. It is good to buy and to sell the shares, but because of the infrastructure, I started here to ask Chair, because it's the Chair of the Finance, when you are doing your budget, kindly consider the people who are differently enabled when you are doing all those. because I come across our loads, especially in our up countries. I use my up country in Nyandarua. I come to realize that most of the people who are differently enabled cannot access even the hospitals, the schools, and here we are, tunaongelelea pesa zitanunu, tutauza the seller, tutengeneze barabara. Kindly, let us do so to care about the people who are differently enabled, and I support the
Thank you. Here, 1 minute. Na tukuje hapa.
Habari zenu?
Wewe hapo.
Kwa majina mimi naitwa Benjamin Tito na sitarudia kitu ambayo imeongelewa tena. Ndio tumalize masaa haraka. Mimi kwangu na support sana kabisa iuzwe Safaricom share, lakini kitu moja tu ndio niko nataka kufanya. Pesa ambayo itakuwa imeuzwa ile kazi itafanya. Kama mimi upande yangu sana niko nataka kuuliza mtu yote amekuwa Embakasi, kutoka Embakasi North. Kuna barabara imekaa miaka 15 bila kutumiwa, ambayo imekuwa imezikwa na iko pande Embakasi North. Hiyo barabara inanipatiaga wasiwasi sana. Na sijawahi isikia mtu yote ama mbunge yote kuja kuongea hiyo barabara. Tafadhali hiyo pesa tunataka tu.
Inaitwa nini?
Ifuvwe. Inaitwa Muigai Kenyatta Road.
Muigai Kenyatta Road.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. Hapa the gentleman here. Hapo tumepita. Okay. Wewe babu, wewe
la ni vizuri tuheshimu wazee.
Sawa, nimekubali.
My names are George Mungau Okonji from the civil society. I support the sale of these shares with all relevant amendments. Before, hata kabla hatuja angalia mambo ya kuuza Safaricom, someone somewhere stood with a microphone like this and talked of infrastructure fund. And even it went up to the parliament. Not parliament, the cabinet. Mukaambiwa ati hii mupeleke parliament. At 5 trillion shillings. That's a sham. Mimi naongea kama mzee. 74 years old. Before we talk of creating the infrastructure fund, let us finalize hii mambo ya kutafuta namna ya kupata pesa in the proper way. Na pesa ile tunatafuta kupata itumike vizuri.
Mano en chenro mar kawo pach oganda kaluwore gi okang' mar sirkal madwaro uso kanyo mage kambi mar ong'we yamo mar Safaricom.